for the video today. Will I break 80 here in Philippine Navy using the new setup? So again, disclaimer na, no range, no anything, no practice with the new set. So I assume kasi when you make your clubs heavier, it's supposed to increase distance heavier and also we lengthen also the iron. So let's see if I can still break 80 with the new setup. Hole number 10. So let's see if I can break 80 with the new setup. So hole number 10, it's playing on 133. I use my pitching wedge, so I'm still using it with my pitching wedge. So let's see. Well, 3-2 muna, tas magsama na lang tayo dun sa 11.
Go!
Impus.
Shot. Holy one.
Huwag ka mag-hole-in one ngayon. Hindi nga umabot. Basket. Sakto lang. Shot. Shot. Hindi kita. Ay. Wow.
Go!
Okay, so our episode now became so I'm playing with Mr. Cortez. Welcome back to the channel.
10 ba tayo? 10?
Ha? 10
10?
lang, 10. So 5 kami mag-Olympic. Si Attorney BJ, yan, si Doy, and si Chris. Yan. Welcome back to the channel. Ang mga pepera sa akin, ang mga kukuha ng aking kaperahan today. Ayan, so let's see. Okay, Chris, potentially for 6 points. For 6 points pala yan. Potentially 6 points from the outside. Okay, Drew, potentially 6 points. 6 points. Okay. Tapos Attorney BJ also potentially 6 points.
May klaro siya.
Tayo. Si B. Okay, so 5 points si Doy, ako 4. Ay, tayo, sino mas malayo sa atin, Drew? Ako yata, no?
Parang ikaw. Oo, parang ikaw.
Okay, Doy for 5 points and for birdie. Okay, so si Wena na maglilinya. Yes, please. Ay, ito. For 4 points and birdie.
Huwag mo konting kaliwa. Akit din.
Plus 1. Confirm lang.
Firm lang po.
Hindi na nga. Wala naman tayong stroke. Okay. Andrew for 3 points.
Yes!
3 points kagad. Okay. Good putt. That's good. I would understand. Ang dami ko naintindihan. Uy. That's good, that's good. Daw talaga. Get yung mas may technology na yung not hindi yung binibenta sa market na hindi siya yung mga binibenta lang sa Pac Sports. Okay, so putting Olympics, no one made any point. So hole number 11. So hitting a 6 iron.
Nice shot. Good drive. Layo. Wow. Ganda doy.
Para full 100. Wow. Full touch.
Crispy. Ano yan? Pitching?
50 shots. 50 shots.
Okay, hitting, I'm left with 119 yards. Since basa, I'm hitting a 50-degree wedge.
Kick right.
Ganda naman nun.
Mas maayos yung mid-size, bro. Okay, 6 points for Chris, 6 points for myself, and for birdie, si Doyden for 6 points. So Chris, this is to go up and down for his par. 6 points! Baka pat na natin to, eh? No? Okay, Doi potentially for 6 points. Kasi hindi natin malilino. 1 point! Ang bilis ah. Kulang! Okay, 1 point.
Konting-konti.
Di pa, baka mamaya may... oo.
Attorney BJ for 5 points. Wala. Okay, Andrew potentially for 4 points. Mahina naman. Mahina. That's good, that's good. Doi for 3 points. Kuha ang 3 points. Ay! Na-push! Okay, hole number 12. Good start so far. Siguro review. The feel of the new setup with the grip and also heavier, parang it makes a difference. Although sobrang wala pa namang masyadong palo. Pero I can feel kanina dun sa second shot ko dito sa 11th hole. Normally, napupull ko yun eh. Pero I think because of the weight, nakatulong siya. Although may pull pa rin ng konti, slight draw. Pero good start, par. So hole number 12, it's playing 144 yards. I might hit a 9 iron. Ay, scoopy lang.
Crispy doy.
Luntong nun. Nagpa-fit din yung airpad ko dati. Wow! Go!
Go! Yan na ba? Lutong talaga.
Okay, Attorney BJ just outside of the green. They're both, pati si Chris, potentially 6 points. So I'll go up and down for both their pars. Teach me! And Chris, potentially 6 points and 4 par. Tama na. Okay, so ako hang 5 points. Mas malayo sa inyo, Jong? Sa inyo? 4 ka? Tama ba 3 si Chris? 2 si BJ? Ay, ikaw pala mas malayo. 2 ka? So 3 si Chris, 2 si Drew, 1 si Attorney. Malakas lang ng konti yung pop ko. Uy! Walang maka-point sa atin. Maaga pa naman. Ganda ng buo. Ikot. 1 point. Okay, good start. Hole number 13, 489. So medyo dito natin malalaman. I'll be using more of my irons now. So currently still even par here sa back 9. Then sa Olympics, Doi with 3, ako and BJ 1. None yet for Chris and Drew. Kanan lang. Malasad. Pero si Jake, puro tour AD.
Tour AD ba yung ano niya?
Kaliwa lang.
Uy, mangat lang. Ang baba ng ano niya.
Very terrible tee shot. Umangat ako. I topped it. So just hitting the new hybrid. New setup.
Nice shot. Diretso.
Ito, in-adjust din to. 10 grams. Come on, para tuloy-tuloy. 4, if ever 4 out of 4 na green and regulation. 150, hitting 9 iron. Hindi, naramdaman ko na. For my 4th shot, this is to go up and down for a par, right to left. Just inside that golf ball. 20 yards. Ito yung mga 15, 12, no?
Opo. 15.
Ay, yun ang sinasabi ko.
Bite.
Thank you. Okay, Doy, potentially for 6 points. Bumite. 1 point. Okay, for 1. Okay, BJ for... That was potentially for 6 points. Ngayon, ako ay... Okay, so 5 si Drew, 4 si Chris, 3 si BJ, 2 ako, 1 si Doy. Lumaylay. That's good.
Thank you.
Si Mrs. Masyado ko finirm. Ay, finirm ko pa kasi. No. Nice putt. That was a terrible double bogey. Sayang. So 2 over. Hole number 14. Playing 510 yards. Kanan lang. Good shot. Day lang tayo naglag. Friday.
Friday ba?
Nag-Friday tayo. Oh, yung...
Okay, kanan. Classmate tayo, Luigi.
Okay, nag-fade ang aking drive. Tapos na yata yung honeymoon stage namin ng driver ko. So just hitting an 8 iron hopefully for course management. Let's go! Parang stylish. Okay, left with 100 yards. 3 right in front of me. Hopefully with a 60-degree wedge, the 3 won't be in play.
Gumalaw yung bola.
Okay, that was a poor attempt. 40 yards to the flag. Left to right. I'm not sure if I can nip this or regular. Kaliwa ba?
Right to left yung sinili.
Sa loob ng bola?
Right to left.
Kaya, sa loob ng bola.
Opo.
Okay, Andrew, potentially for... Ay, nabola! Pero, turo mo rin sa akin kung saan mo nilagay. Bite, 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 bite! Okay, mukhang Andrew's 5 points. 4 si Chris. Si BJ pala. Chris potentially for 6 points. Good one! Okay, so Chris is 1, ako 2, 3, si BJ, 4 ka? 4 ka? 4 ka, okay. Tapos si Drew is 5. So 5, 4, 3, 2 ako, 1 si Chris. Pasok! 5 points! What a 5-point shot! Grabe yun. Ayan na, ito yung sinasabi natin. Yari tayo doon, 5 points. Nice spot, brother. 4 points din. That's good, that's good. Kulang. Nice putt. 1 point. Okay, hole number 15. So for our Olympics, si Andrew is now leading 5. Doy with 4. Kaming tatlo 1. La BJ. Then I'm currently
Baba na score
3 over. High score. Life-changing money. 4! 4! 4! 4!
Nice.
Ah, nagpakitang gilas, Drew. Nagpakitang gilas. Don't change me. Ganda. Beautiful. Oh, go ahead. Nawawalan ako ng distance. Brother. Although yun yung bigay ko sa'yo. Pero
Hindi, oo.
There you go. Yun. Yan yung gusto kong shot mo, Luigi.
second shot, left with 180 yards to the flag. Hitting a 7 iron.
Wag.
Okay, this is my third shot. Potentially to go up and down for a birdie. Left to right, 50 yards. Tirang mga 40. No?
Ay, ating patar kaliwa.
Yeah, pasan yung bola.
Opo.
Mahina lang. Up and down for par. Pati si Drew. Bite. Babite yan. Nice shot. Good try. Ako ba 5? Okay, I'm 5 points. Sino mas malayo sa inyo? Okay, so it's either Drew or BJ. Ang 4. 2 si Doy. Sino? Siya. So 5 ako, 4 si Attorney, 3 si Drew, 2 si... Sino mas malayo sa inyo? Hindi, sa inyo lang ni Chris. Sino mas malayo sa inyong dalawa ni Chris? Okay, so 2 si Doy, 1 si Chris. Hina pa rin.
Lang. Sino ba sa atin din?
Si attorney.
Ay, yata tayo.
Hina! Ganda. Ay, mabilis. Downhill. So, anong points ko?
3 ka.
Galing naman.
Hindi tayo maka 1 pot, sir.
Oo.
Get up. Ay, bitin lang.
Big brother. Okay, hole number 16. No movement sa Olympics. It's playing 105 yards. So, hitting my 56-degree wedge. Tingnan natin with a new grip kung hindi ko na makakabig to today. Hole in one nga! Ay, short lang.
Go.
Go.
Shot.
Go.
Okay, first time in a very long time na bunker ako. 20 yards. Right to left.
Kung may
Hit the
bilog,
number.
labas lang ng bilog.
Thank you. So 5. 5, 4, 3. 2 ako, 1 si Chris. Birdie. And 5 points. Mahina pa yata yan. Mahina rin, oh.
Sobrang bagal talaga.
Thank you. Mahina rin, no?
Sabi yung bagal talaga.
Okay. I have this spot for par and 2 points. Okay na yun, okay na yun.
Guhit man lang.
Mahina din, no? Pag accidental.
Talaga? Sa ano?
Sa putt at saka sa drive.
Right king side. Kaliwa.
Yes. Nice spot.
Okay. Wala nag-point sa atin, ano? Okay, 17 playing 100.
1 point ako.
1 point ka. Okay, 180 yards. Chris, ang movement lang sa Olympics. Wala nang pot money, okay lang.
Kick right. Kick right. Ay,
Dati yung Jong payat eh. Ngayon parang Jong, hindi na pala Jong payat.
Guys. A little right. There you go. Olympic. Commission, brother.
Fortunately, need to take a drop right to left. Penalty 30 yards. Malait lang. Right to left ba?
Opo, doon lang sa bola, loob.
Ay, pulley. Okay, so Chris for 5 points. Andrew for, ako for 4. Andrew for 3. Si BJ and si Doy in for 2 and 1. 2 ka, Doy? 2. Uy! Aray ko po! Okay, okay. Best chance for 4 points to, Luigi. Make it. And also for bogey. Come on, Luigi. Up and down for bogey.
yes.
Easy 4. Easy 4.
Easy 4.
Akala ko
Nice, brother.
na-pull ko eh. Akala ko na-pull ko. Yun, 1 point kami. So for Olympics, Andrew is now 8 points. Doy is 6. Ako 5. Tapos Chris and BJ 2 points each. So I'm currently 5 over na tayo, no?
Kanan. Boy!
Shot. Ang lutong pag tinatamaan. Nice shot.
Ganda rin ng draw. Good shot, draw.
Nice shot. Tuloy-tuloy ka na ba? Parang.
Okay, Luigi, try to focus. Masyado mong ini-enjoy yung magandang pamala. Okay. Left with 230 yards, hitting my hybrid. This is to go up and down for a par. Malaki sa left, 50 yards, kahit tirang mga 30, 35. Kasi with the wind eh. Okay, Andrew, potentially 6 points. Ganda. Pasok! Ooh! Okay, went over. I have 12 paces at 12 yards. Right to left. Malaki to sa kanan, mabilis. Okay. 6 points, 6 points. Come on, go for 6 points, Luigi. Chipinski. Pero mahirap to eh. Malaki side hill eh. Aray ko. 12 paces. Diyan, ganyan kalitingin mo? Okay. Six points, baby! Alright, 6 points! 4 yan, 4. 4. 5 ako eh. 5 and plus 1 ako, di ba? Pag na-hole out.
okay.
5 and... Thank you, brother. 4. Sabi ko man din. Guling-guling ng motion
hirap
yun. Pero lagpas yun, ano? No? Par lang.
Kalinta speed nun ah.
Pasok ba? 4 points din! Mahina. Pasok, kuha!
Nag-break na wala doon sa dulo.
Good putt. Bigla ako nag-11. 11, 8, 6. 2-2.
Grabe yung hirap nung hinowl out mo.
Tsaka actually lagpas yun pag hindi sumuti. Diretso yun doon. Pero masaya ako sa pinabagsakan eh, pero wala, hindi. Ay! Ang dami na nun ah. 4 na yata yun kasi. Okay, so currently 5 over. Olympics, 11 ako, 8 si Andrew, si Doy 6, 2 si Chris at saka si BJ. Okay, currently 5 over.
Hindi ko lang ibibigay lahat sa labas.
Ganda! Nice shot, Tony.
Shot!
Kumira ka na, Doy.
Nice shot.
Kumira ka na, Fred. Tapos ka na ba?
Oo.
Anong grip ba na?
Taas ng
Okay,
plate,
taas
no?
lang.
Wow! Okay lang kung yung taas niya, yung parang paganoon. Kasi dito nag-uumpisa na agad ang taas. So pwede mo
Mataas yung lunch.
Oo.
Second shot left with 250 yards. This will call for a draw. Sakto naman yung stance. Ball above my feet. So bahala na. Go for it with a 3-wood. Okay, for my third shot left with 50 yards. Left to right, no?
Sir, double break tayo dito.
Diretso na lang?
Opo.
Oh, diretso na lang daw. 50 yards. Tirang mga 40. Okay, Chris. Just outside of the green. Potentially for 6 points. Pasok nga 6 points! Akala ko. I got nervous. Okay, so for Olympics, Andrew putting for birdie and for 5 points. Ako for 4. Si Chris ang 3. Si Doy ang 2. Si Attorney BJ 1. Okay, for 5 points. Pasok, 5 points ulit. O kaliwa nga, no? Kaliwa. Dahil sa the...
Huli tuloy! Andun na! Ulit out. Tinala! Sakit. 4 points pala sa ano
15 dapat yun. Tsaka birdie.
Ilang points ka na ba?
11. Sayang. Daming ganun, no?
Umali sa dulo.
Palapit na palapit. Baka ito na.
Ito na yun. Ito na yun. Wow, yan na nga.
Ay! Dumaan lang din.
Okay, hole number 2. Currently still 5 over. Sayang. So Olympics, no movement. Kanan lang. Ganda. What a draw. The draw ni Fade. Ni Fade ni Drew. Nice shot, brother.
Uy!
Baba pa rin.
Sa pala. Umalo na ba lahat? Paluin ng lahat. Hindi na. Ang kadi ko. Ba?
Just playing safe dito. Terrible tee shot.
Go. Yan.
Play safe.
Okay, come on, Luigi. This is to go up and down for potentially a par. I'm left with 145 yards, hitting a 9 iron.
right. Oy!
Just went over. This is to go up and down for a bogey na. Left to right 16 yards. I'm contemplating if I should flop it or nip it. Pero mukhang mas nip para mas safe. Kaliwa no, Weng? Bye! Okay, hole number 3. So Olympics, I'm still leading 11. Andrew 8. Si Chris 5. Ay, Andrew 10. Behind lang. Okay, I have this putt for 5 points, 10 paces. Ah! Si BJ pala, sorry, nandiyan ka pa pala. So si BJ pala 5. Ayan, BJ 5. Ako 4. Ha? 3 ka. 3 ka ba? Tas 2. Sino 2 sa inyong dalawa ni... Si 2. So 1 point si Doy. Pasok.
Dali na naman.
Hindi ko lalaylay.
Yun.
3
Wala nang likot yung
points. Kuha din. Nice putt. 2. Kita na eh. Ay. Okay, hole number 3. Playing 180 yards. Sa islang. Hitting 6 iron.
Yun. Yun, no?
Nice.
Abot mo. Wala talagang
Wala ng konti ng bola, sir.
Okay, to go up and down for a par. 17 yards. Mabagal yan, di ba? Paakyat.
Yun, ganda. In the hole naman mo. Walang pasok na naman. Malakas lang.
So for putting Olympics, Chris is putting for 5 points. Andrew is putting for 4. Doy is for 3. Tama? Doy, ikaw 3, ano? Ako 2. 1 si Attorney BJ. Yan na, oh. Wala nang likot. Wala nang likot, no? Lumaylay. Diyan mismo. Okay.
Mahina yata. Mahina.
Din. Sama naman ang pating, ah. Ganun din, no? Okay, hole number 4. No movement for the Olympics. I'm now currently 8 over. Come on, Luigi. Subok pa rin, break 80. Uy. Ganda. May pakitang gila. 4, ah! 4! 4! 4!
Wow.
Yun, ganda.
Solid.
Yung player, kilala siya.
Wow. Wow.
Just shortcut ah.
Isa sa pinakamagandang palo mo yun ngayon.
Nice.
Ganda. Beautiful. Very difficult shot. Walang babagsakan. 65 yards to the flag. Tirang 50 na lang. Regular. Huwag ko na inip.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ako din ganyan. Lucky yung...
Okay, very terrible second shot. So, susubukan ko 60 degrees. Pero hit low. Dito. Tapos papagulungin. Teka lang. Good idea kasi di tumama dun eh. Okay, I have this chip, 17 paces. Malaki to left to right, medyo mabagal. So, potentially, si Chris is for 5 points. Tapos, ako, this is potentially 6. Good try. Good putt.
Tama, ay. Kulang lang. Ilan ang
So, Doy for 4 points. Si Attorney BJ for 3. Si Andrew for 2. Ako for 1. That's good. Masyadong laylay.
Sobra naman yun.
Uy! That's good, that's good. Ako lang may chance mag points. Sana naman makuha ko naman to. Bogey and 1 point. So number 512 yards. Currently 9 over. Need to start making birdies. So hinangin pa oh.
Good shot.
Yan na, huli mo na yan. Huli mo na.
Sakto yun. Sakto, pin high.
Okay, I have this birdie putt for 15 paces. Para ikaw, 3 ako. So Attorney BJ for 5 ka. 5 si Attorney BJ, 4 si Drew, 3 ako, 2 si Doy, 1 si Chris. Bagal! Oops!
Buka yun, sir. Buka.
Sa gitna yung tama, so ganun siya, bago siya mag kaya mo bago.
So,
So ganun. Hina, attorney. Okay, hole number 6. That was a good par. Good par. Still 9 over. I need birdies to break 80. Good shot, Droy. Good shot, brother.
Wala na.
Tumira ka na ba?
Sige, go ahead. Ganda pa rin ng draw.
Dreaming. Straight naman ah. Straight to the right.
Straight to the right. Doon talaga.
Okay, bahala na. 100 yards. 60 degree. Kapiranggot. Sayang. Okay. Oo nga, Chipinski sa ating dalawa eh, if ever. Okay, come on, Luigi. Chipinski. Ayan, inisip ko sa gitna lang yan eh. Okay. Ay, mali yung pectus. Si Bojoy mahilig mag ganun eh. Yan ang Chipinski.
Yun.
Oh! 6
Ay, ang ganda
points!
nun.
Mali.
Sabi ko hindi ko pala pwede sa
Dapat di ko... Ayun din, 4 points.
Kasi sa'yo nag-spin na eh.
14 ako, 12 ka. 14. Ikaw? Ako.
Wow! Kanina pa yan doon, ang dami na yan.
Wala na, hindi ka nahiyang kay Jom. Masyado ka na kay...
Nabigla sa dulo,
Masyado ka na kay Dodong.
Yun. Ay.
Okay, hole 7. Now, there's movement na sa Olympics. So Drew is now leading with that Chipinski. 16, I'm 14. Si Doyce at 6. Tapos 5?
5.
5. Tapos 3 si attorney. Nice shot! Galit na galit.
Buong buo eh.
Uy!
If you're able to,
Grounded
hindi
yun,
ko
grounded.
makakuha yung point. Ika-card. Wow! Good drive.
Okay. Pero meron silang pang sukat. Nice shot, brother.
Sa akin hindi pang mid yung kamay ko. Pero mas
Time to experiment again. Try to intentionally slice 4 iron. Ate Hazel, 4 ah. Mag-invento ako tira. I need this to go up and down for a par 70 yards against the wind. Tira 70. Short yata.
Go.
6 points! Sayang, okay. Doy, potentially 4.
Wow.
Naku, for 6 points
Wow.
na naman! Okay. Okay, Chris, potentially for 6 points. Ito na naman, back-to-back Chipinski. Potentially. Ayan na naman! Inside me sana. Attorney BJ, hit it inside me. Please. Wag mo na i-shoot. Ha? 5 kayo? Grabe namang Olympian yan. So 5 si Doy, 4 si Chris, 3 si Andrew, 2 ako, 1 si Attorney BJ. Nakakuha din, 5 points. Nice spot. 4 points din. Dapat di tinuruan ng pating to. Nakakuha din. Ay.
Uy, kumana lang.
Ayun, papasok. Ah, wala.
Ayan na. 1 down. Uy, hinang. Yan na, the first.
Yes.
Wala ng hangin.
Ay, hangin.
Go!
Ay, sayang! Okay, left with 80 yards. Grabe, tuk-tuk. Batuk-tukacious, paulit-tukacious. Inangin din. Inangin, sobra. Okay. Attorney BJ. Potentially 6 points. 6 points! Ganda. That's good, that's good. Okay, si Doy. Potentially 6 points. Okay na yun, attorney? Mahina. Okay, so I have this spot 11 paces for par. For 5 points. Si Andrew 4. Si Doy 3. 2 si Chris. Naka-ready na ako eh. Ayoko na mag-galing. 4 points. For 4 points yan, Drew, di ba?
3.
Ah, 3.
Ay, tama. 4.
4. Ako yung 5 eh.
Si Doy yung...
3.
3. Man! Guys! Kanina pa, grabe. Ang dami nun.
Wala nang likot?
Wala nang likod.
Wala nang likot. Wala nang likod.
Gumandag.
Okay, hole number 9. Mr. Cortez still leading 16 sa Olympics. I am 15. Mr. Raimundo is at 11, no brother? Doy, 11?
Yep.
11. Tapos si Chris is 9. Tapos si attorney is at 4. Ngayon lang. Pero bumaba na
Shot. Yun, ganda.
Mapar naman natin. So just to give a review, no, of the fitting of the new setup. I'm very happy with the new setup. It's just that, yeah, like what I mentioned during the start of the video, no practice with it. So I think what's happening with my swing is the same, pero kasi since mas mahaba yung mga irons ko, and syempre medyo medyo nanggigigil ako para nga, kasi I feel na I can swing it more properly with good morning, with new setup na longer yung mga shafts of the iron and mas tama yung weight. Parang I feel that I can hit it further, so medyo nanggigigil ako. So ang nangyayari, tendency natatop ko siya. So my realization the past few shots na natatop ko yung ball, especially dito sa 8th hole, since mas mahaba yung shaft ng mga irons, lumalayo ako. So since I'm further than the ball ngayon that I'm not used to yet, natatop ko siya. So I just need to adjust with the timing and everything. But I think, yeah, overall I'm very happy with the fitting na ginawa ko and the current setup. Okay, come on Luigi. Need to go up and down hopefully for the first and only birdie of the round. 60 yards left to right. Hitting a 60-degree wedge. Tirang 50.
Go.
Okay, puro Olympian. So, Attorney BJ, Doy, and ay, na bola. Sa'yo naman pala. Sige, okay na. Ito na lang. Sumbo. Ano bigay mo? Left to right, ano? Please. Size. Short lang. Okay, I have the spot for birdie. Doon sa may pitch mark. Okay, for birdie. 6 paces.
Kuha pa, oh.
2 points pa.
Salamat. Kahapon!
Uy. Good round, good round. Good round, brother.
Pera natin.
Sa group chat na lang?
Oo.
Sa league golf na lang?
Nice game, nice game.
Doy. Good game, brother.
Ilan ka ba?
So 17 si Drew natapos, ako 15. Par. Si Doy. Doy, ilang ka? Natapos ka 13, Doy? Natapos ka 13. Ikaw natapos ka 9.
9:40.
Natapos sa 4 si attorney. Nice shot.